Hello, my name is Eddie Irvin and I'm the creator of Software Accelerator Playbook, where I help business owners develop better software scopes so that they're prepared to talk to software developers, saving time and money and hassle in the process of getting something made. Now, here's the 9-step process that we go through. The first phase here is envision. The second phase is elevate. And the third phase is expand. Now, we are taking in this process somebody through the idea of having a software idea without a plan and transforming that into having a complete finished software scope, having really clarified exactly what it is that you need so that then you can shop to different developers. You have a lot clearer of an idea of what you're talking about when you're speaking to find funding. And ultimately, you are just better prepared and in more control versus feeling like it's a check engine light on your car and you don't know what's going on and you don't know how much it's going to cost. And there's all these questions that keep you up at night. So let's take a look at the very top section here. We are talking about defining the problem first. And this is where we start because it's so important to be able to clarify why you're doing this, why it's important to have a software solution. So, as we define the problem, we are asking a lot of different questions. One is, where's the value? What's the point of why we're doing this? Who is going to be getting value out of this, whether that's you as the business owner, if you're creating a software to be able to speed up your internal processes and it's not something that you'll be sharing with others, or if it's something that you will be letting a lot of other users have, and then you will be taking an administrative role while you let the users use the software. So whether it's an internal facing solution or a problem that you're trying to solve, or if it's an external facing problem, you're going to want to really start by getting out why you're doing this and where the value is. Now keep in mind, there might be multiple different values. There isn't necessarily just one value to creating a software. There could be many different reasons why a software is valuable. And as you work on and think through the different reasons why you're doing this project and trying to design this software, you can start discovering other values where, maybe something was going to be an internal tool and will help your business function more effectively, but then also you can repurpose that as a public access tool or a subscriber tool where then you are able to make revenue in a new way that you haven't thought possible. So it's not just good enough to stop at finding one value for a software. Oftentimes you can find multiple different values, and it's not always just trying to get other people to sign up and pay you. You can be working on something on your computer in your business that's taking you a longer time than you want, or is annoying for you, or isn't helpful to you when you're just trying to get through and do the more important work, but you've got to do some of these other things. You may find value in just being able to create software around your own processes and then make that whole thing work faster for you. So something that used to take you an hour will now take you 20 minutes, and you reap the rewards of that for years to come. So when we start with step number 1, we are really clarifying all the different reasons why we're doing it, and then who will be benefiting from it. What's the value, and trying to find the different layers of value inside why you want to make this software idea come to life. In the next video, we will be talking about narrowing focus.